brokers had under SEBI. What's happening with the market orders right now? Are they really banned? From January 1, 2026, several brokers had discontinued market orders on Algo platform under SEBI's new regulations. This means that if your strategies still rely on market orders, they will no longer be executed. To keep your trades running smoothly, you must switch to limit orders on Quantman. Let's get into the details in this video. This change is a part of SEBI's broader compliance updates, including the earlier static IP requirements. As of today, a few brokers have already disabled Algo market orders. If your broker has discontinued Algo market orders, you will not be able to execute market orders through Quantman using that particular broker. This means that you can only place limit orders through Quantman, ensuring your strategies remain compliant and functional under the new rules. However, it is important to check with your broker about when they plan to disable Algo market orders, as market orders may continue to work until they are officially discontinued by your specific broker. So if your strategies are currently set to use market orders, you should change them to limit orders after confirming with your broker. If you don't switch the order type even after your broker has discontinued market orders, Quantman will automatically convert them into limit orders with default settings. Although Quantman handles this conversion automatically, there are some important limitations you need to be aware of. For entry orders, market orders will be converted into limit orders with 10% price buffer. If your order is not filled within 60 seconds, the order will be cancelled automatically. For exit orders, market orders will also be converted into limit order with 10% buffer price. If the order is not filled, you will receive an alert and manually close the position through your broker terminal. Now you will be wondering about what is this 10% buffer actually means. Let me explain it in simple terms. For buy orders, the limit price becomes signal price plus 10%. For sell orders, the limit price becomes signal price minus 10%. While this default buffer increases the chances of execution, it can also result in slippage up to 10% worse than your expected price. To avoid excessive slippage caused by the default 10% buffer, you should configure the limit order settings manually in your strategy. This allows you to set your own preferred limit order buffer, such as 0.5, 1% or 2% based on your trading style. You can also define your preferred timeout duration, after which the orders will be cancelled if it is not filled. To do this, log in into Quantman and select the strategy you want to update. Then click on Edit Run and scroll down to the order execution detail session. Change the entry order type from market to limit. Similarly, change the exit order type from market to limit. Next, set the limit buffer percentage. Finally, configure the timeout settings based on your trading style. That's how you can easily switch your order type. If you don't make this change manually, Quantman will still convert market orders automatically. But remember, on entry orders, you may miss the trades if it is converted limit order not filled within 60 seconds. And on exit orders, you will need to manually close the positions if the order fails. So traders, head over to Quantman today and switch your strategy order type to limit orders. If you have any questions about making this change, feel free to contact our support team or check the blog linked in the video description for detailed FAQs.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.